Hello everyone. So I wanted to go over this, it's a 40 Willy and I'm restoring it. It was pretty beat up. Luckily the front end's in pretty good condition. I had to fix the frame because it was completely broken in half right here. So that's on the mend. Gonna still have to sand this down. The body was in pretty bad shape. This was all, the firewall was completely missing and it was bent out. So you can see here, I'm like having to fix these little cracks. I just threw some filler on here for now, so really haven't started sanding or anything. But you can kind of see the stress excuse me, stress fracture right here. Yeah, because the kid who ever owned this, whoo, he did a number on it. So but luckily I was able to take the firewall out of the body. It did have the cab to the pickup version also. So this is the exact same version as the Coca-Cola version that is more of a newer release, except in the old version you got to choose between making a pickup or going with the 40 Willys car. So I think, so because I've already got the pickup, I'm going to go with the car. I think this is going to be the seat here. I'm not sure what I'm actually going to use the interior from the pickup because that's all I have. So I'm going to have to kind of make something. It does fit up in there perfectly, but it leaves a gap in the back to where there's nothing back there. So I'm not sure how I'm going to fill that yet, but I'll have to fill that with something. Probably just make a flat panel, maybe make some 6x9s in there or something would be kind of cool. Yeah, so I'm super excited about this one. I've always loved the Willys, especially the 40s. That front end is just so cool and so unique. So I think that's it for now, and I will talk to you guys soon. Have a good night.